Alright everybody, so just put in the boat ramp. We're on Lake Guntersville today. We are about to go try to fish some frogs, but we'll see how that goes. It's a little bit windy. There's some storms that have been rolling in, so we may have to get off the water due to those. But we'll do our best to catch some good fish for you guys. So we'll see y'all there. I'm gonna film. Alright guys, so we're at our first spot. We're gonna fish some frogs on this matted grass up here. My GoPro chest mount is kind of broken, so if this is really awful footage, that is why. Oh, yo, there is milfoil. I'm gonna get out of it. You're probably using the wrong key or something. So we're on a school of fish right here. Throwing these Cotex out there. Just letting it sink for a couple seconds. And we're catching them. So off camera, I didn't get it on camera, but I caught a fish and it was really hard to unhook. But I didn't realize that my camera was not recording, so it was only about 1.5 pounds maybe. So we're about to catch you guys another one. So nice, dude. Here, here.
Flip it in the boat. Flip it in the boat. Don't bang it on the boat.
Oh, it's got one hook in it. Nice, it's a good fish.
Thomas. It's a good fish, buddy. That's the lunker. That's a 3-pounder. Where's the...
It's in the front compartment.
That's my PB. That's sad. Actually, my PB is a pop.
You're gonna have to get the scale. I mean, you're gonna have to get the pliers. That one right there is a 2.5, easy.
That.
All right. You know you're officially leaving when you pull this. Fish on. Yeah. Oh, he spit it. It wasn't big though, so it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
That's Thomas. Let's say we have a good at least 3 foot here.
What's that top water?
There's some kind of man-made structure right here. Oh, he hit it. He hit the frog, dude. That was awesome. Frog fish. He hit it, man. That was cool. That was so cool. I love frog fish. Give you a heart attack when they hit it. Yeah. Here it is. He is 160. He's a lot more than I expected. Nice fish. See you, bud. Watch, I'm gonna pull it right off this dock and he's gonna hit it right off this dock. You ready? Oh, I caught it, and did you see him hit it?
Oh,
I didn't give him time to eat it.
oh, that hurt my gut. Oh, I'm gonna make it strong.
Look, it's a muskrat. Look. You see that? Well, I don't even know what that's called, but it was some kind of animal that, it was about, I don't know, that big,
Yay big
and it went under the water. We're gonna take a weather delay. We'll be right back.